Um, so I'm going to show you a step by step of solving number patterns. The first thing you need to observe when a number pattern is given to you, you have to first observe the pattern rule. Which rule does this pattern follow? So we are done with the one rule pattern. Now let's look at the two rules pattern. Now you observe the first number given to you here and the second number. We want to know the rules that this number pattern follows. So the first number we have here is 2 and the second number is 3. Now let's observe what happened. We'll now ask what was added to or subtracted from 2 to give us 5. So that means that 3 was added to 2 to give us 5. So the first rule is add 3. Now we observe the second number and the third number. What happened to the second number and the third number? What was added or what was subtracted? So when we look at it, we have 5 and 3. So that means 2 was subtracted from 5 to give us 3. So the second rule is subtract 2. So having done this, we have seen the two rules of this number pattern. The first rule is add 3. The second rule is subtract 2. So I advise you that whenever this kind of thing is being given, for you not to forget your rule or your rules, you will have a loop that will continue with the rules. So if I continue this loop, it will be plus 3 minus 2, plus 3 minus 2, then plus 3. So this loop will give me a guide of what to do to the circle I have to get the next circle. So I have plus 3. So that means for me to get the second circle, all I need is to add 3 to this circle here, which is 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now the next rule is to subtract 2. So what I have to do is 6 minus 2 will have 4. Then the next loop again is plus 3. So that means I have to do 4 plus 3 to give me 7. So this is how to identify the rules in a number pattern and how to apply it. Once you're able to observe the first and the second number to know what actually happened, whether a number was added or subtracted, you now observe the second number and the third number to observe what happened, whether a number was added or subtracted. Just like we have done this one, we already know that we have to add 3, subtract 2, add 3, subtract 2, add 3. Just observe the first, second number to know the rule. Observe the second, the third number to know the next rule. So this is how to know the rule pattern or the pattern rule for numbers.